Alright, hey guys, just gonna fill you in on what I've been up to lately. I've been building homemade Airsoft Grenade Launchers. This is my main project at the moment. I can't quite get something to fit in the tube so that it can launch it, so the RPG is kind of just a standard launcher right now. And a standalone launcher. Just pull the trigger. And my underbarrel, which I'm most proud of. They all roll off of your 40mm grenade, and I'll give you a little demonstration just to see that they actually do work. So, as you can see, they just kind of sit inside of there. They give you caps that you can put on top. Gives it a nicer look, but tape's just cheaper, and I find it works pretty well. All it is to stop the BBs from falling out. Fill it up with propane for about 5-6 seconds. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. There you go. A loaded gun. I'll show you how to load it up. Sits like that. And that's all it is. And then to fire it, all I have to do is press that little button there. Now, I'm going to try to see if this works. How well this works. Ready? Here we go.